Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna replace our driver door armrest. We got an armrest right here, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it right now. And so let's get started. Let's get into the video. Also guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this channel together. And I appreciate everybody that watched the video, that liked the video, and even shared the video too. Alright, so let's get started. Links will be in the description if I can find the parts. So first, what we gotta do now is just get access to the screws them. So one here for sure, one here for sure, but I'm not sure if one right here. So let's get started in this one. Pull this. So just gotta pull that, and this right here. And now we have 10mm our Phillips, 10mm our Phillips. This right here, I'm gonna squeeze this up. Alright, so just gonna bring this up. Alright, so we're gonna unplug this right here. We're just gonna squeeze this and pull down on it. We're gonna squeeze this right here. Unplug that, squeeze this, unplug that. Squeeze this, unplug that. Just like that, guys. So we're gonna check here if we have any screw, which I don't see any, so that's good. Just those two 10mm right there. So that right there, that right there, that's out. So what you can do is try to find an opening like right here and just kind of drag it hard, or you can use a tool like that. So this tool will be in the description. So guys, this tool is good, but even if you don't have this tool, you can just hold it and yank it forward. Alright, I can lift that up just like that, and then these just like that. So guys, we just have to use a drill bit. It's look like this, and we just use a drill bit to just drill this out right there, and then we're gonna move right there. Then we have the Phillips screws to take them out. So now we're gonna get the Phillips screw driver and remove these Phillips screw right here. So I'm actually gonna use a drill to take these out more faster, but I'm just showing you with this right here. So you just squeeze this right here. So guys, now that I take this off, what I'm gonna do is just put this on just like this, let it clip back in, and then I'm gonna screw the screw in and put an extra screw right where I drill out. So we put a Phillip there, Phillip here, Phillip here, Phillip here. This where we drill out. I just put back another Phillip right there, and now we're ready to put the connect back this right here. So the ball go at the bottom, and the hook go at the top. So we got this right here. We're just gonna put that back, and we're gonna put this back right here, and then we're gonna be done with this. So guys, what we need to do now is plug in back our switch, plug in our mirror switch. I'll also test the door, make sure the door open and close from this handle right here, because that's what we disconnected right there. And then we just need to plug this in. And that's it. Leave a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out. See you next time.